Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the option connected with sound. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here we've got the section with the ringtones and the sounds basically. So we've got the tablet ringtone, default and notification ringtone, and alarm ringtone. I'll show you how to change it using the tablet ringtone, but it will work the same with other two options. So let me tap on tablet ringtone, and as you can see, after tapping on it, we will be transferred to defaultly installed ringtones. Actually, this pop-up view will simply appear. Here we've got some options. At the top, we've got two different ones. So we've got add ringtone, and thanks to this option, you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, and if they will be compatible, they will appear right there, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. Or just under this option, you've got the option none, which simply means that after picking it, your device will simply not use the sound to notify you about the incoming call. So it may be quite useful, but it's up to you. So, in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. And then you will be able to check if you like it or not. And basically, if you'd like to set particular one, so for example this incoming one, just make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will simply use the chosen ringtone. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.